everyone, myself Raj Pirakar and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. COVID cases are increasing day as well as number of deaths. Bihar has also decided complete lockdown till 15 May. News Movement team request humbly to you all wear mask, use sanitizer and stay at home. On other hand, corona updates are here. With over 3.5 lakh new COVID 19 cases, India crossed the 2 crore mark on the Tuesday. The health minister data shows that India record 3 crore 57 lakh 229 new coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours. Today, tally saw a minor dip in the coronavirus cases fatally number. The May 4 health bulletin says that 3,449 Indians lost their life due to corona. Infection had related complication while national capital Delhi saw the biggest spike with 448 COVID deaths. Maharashtra has shown a steady declines in coronavirus cases. While these numbers are encouraging, the main point is to be see whether there has been any change in the test number or not. The nation battle the second wave of coronavirus. On the other hand, the Delhi High Court said that the center must ensure that the proper supply of oxygen reach Delhi according to the instruction issued by the Supreme Court earlier. You may be blind, but we are not. We cannot shut our eyes. This is no incentive and fortunate, the High Court bench said. The Delhi High Court on Tuesday asked the central government to drive the utilization tanker of oxygen to Delhi from a state like Maharashtra, where the coronavirus disease COVID-19 situation is improving. A bench of Justice Vipin Shanghi and Rekha Pali also come down heavily on the center over the shortage in oxygen supply in the national capital. The High Court bench said that the center must ensure the oxygen reaches Delhi according to the instruction issued by the Supreme Court earlier. The bench said that it would result in containment of court, the directives of the apex court are not met. Representing the Delhi government, advocate Rahul Mehra pointed that although the Supreme Court had instructed 700 MT of oxygen to reach the national capital, only 433 MT has reached till now. People are dying, he noted, when additional Solicitor General ASG Chetan Sharma, representing the central government, said in response that these are the rhetorical statements. The court hit back. The court also asked the center about the request of Delhi government seeking aid from the Indian Army to set up the field hospital. This has to be done fast. The nature of the request is such, the bench observed. When ASG Sharma said that the matter is being considered and logically issues are being seen, Justice Pali said it has already been 48 hours since the request was made due. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760. Kulti. Vikas Prasad, according to him, Santodia Fandi police of Kulti police station caught a lorry landed with illegal liquor worth rupees 5 lakh at Disargar Subhas Setu checkpost on a tip off during a checkpoint check on Tuesday morning.
घूमने में नहीं है ऐसी जगह में स्टैंड से मरा है ना
छोड़ते हिमाचल प्रदेश को नहीं देखा
अरे जो तो भाग दे तो भालो
बेटिया का फोटो लेकर रखना बेटिया
लगा इधर के लगा
Motion Open Scholarship Test for class 7 to 12th student get up to 50% scholarship for season 21 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center 9434822278. Industry man and a builder Subir Ghosh passed away. There is a wave of mourning among businessmen over the demise of Subir Ghosh. Industry man and builder of Silpanchal, he was a builder as well as the owner of cement factory. He was hit by corona about 2 weeks ago. He was undergoing treatment in Raniganj hospital. From there, his condition deteriorates and he was admitted to Durgapur hospital where he passed away last night. The body of civic volunteer was recovered on Tuesday morning in a Hiradi of Kharagpur local police station area. A civic volunteer named Subhas Rai was working in Kharagpur Sadar police station. He left for home on Monday night after completing his duty. Then at night he was not found. His body was recovered from the side of the road on Tuesday morning. There are bruises on the face and head. Chitranjan. The incident took place at the end of road number 50 in Fatehpur area of Chitranjan. The deceased was identified as Nitish Das, age 56. He was a very old CPM worker. He was given a job twice during the CPM government, but if the works, it will be difficult for him to work for the party. Raniganj. Ravi Paswan. According to him, political violence has continued in various parts of country since the assembly election result came out. The house of BJP worker in Bhalapur, Raniganj of Asansol South Assembly consequently was attacked and set on fire. The victim BJP worker Devashish Chatterjee is accused of doing this by the people of TMC. Since the election result came out, local TMC worker has been threatening him and his family members. Responsibility of municipal bodies in the state, re-instruction by the state government to reappoint the old administrator to replace the administrative officers appointed by the election commission in the municipal bodies across the state, to reappoint the old administrators and board members has been given. Political violence continues in various parts of the Silpanchal after the election result. The BJP party office in the Jamhuria was attacked, vandalized on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the CPM office in Jemari of Asansol South Assembly was vandalized. Ward number 32, Modern Satgram, Kolari area in Jamhuria was vandalized on the Monday night. On Tuesday morning, BJP workers saw that the party office has been vandalized. The incident spared tension in the area. Sahankarpur OCP management destroyed the owned land without acquisition and Dal Ramanand Paswan with cameraman Manthan Paswan. According to them, when Mahesh Mandal got the information, Mahesh Mandal went to his land and stopped and work and demanded compensation for the land.
কোথায় ফেটে গেছে এগুলো? রাতের অন্ধকারে গাড়ি চালাচ্ছে, জমির আলটাল সব নষ্ট করে দিয়েছে। হ্যাঁ, চাষযোগ্য জমি সমস্ত যেটা উপরে ডিপেন্ডেন্ট ছিল, চাষযোগ্য জমি আজকে সব শেষ করে দিল এসএল কর্তৃপক্ষ। কোনো মাথা চাড়া দিচ্ছে না ওরা। এই যে ফাটা হয়েছে, এখানে পুরো
जमीन कभी नहीं लिया ना, नहीं लिया अभी इसको,
हाँ?
अभी इसको लिया, जमीन नहीं लिया, अभी सेल नहीं लिया।
वो लोग नेगोशिएशन में नहीं आ रहा है, रात को काम कर रहा है। ये देखिए, इधर देखिए, इधर फाट देखिए पूरा जमीन को।
Closure of a special train service, Asansol Railway has decided to close the following special trains till further order due to reduce availability of passengers. 02383 cancellation of Sialda Asansol special from 4 May 2021. 02384 Asansol Sialda special cancelled from 4 May 2021. 03001 Howrah cancellation of survey special from 4 May 2021. 03002 Surrey of Howrah special from 4 May 2021. Nigha Ravi Paswan, according to him, Hariram Singh, MLA of Jamhuria, appealed to all TMC workers to keep calm in the Jamhuria and work together for COVID.
जमुरिया विधानसभा के सभी कार्यकर्ता को मेरे तरफ से निर्देश दिया जाता है कि किसी प्रकार का अप्रिय घटना न करें, कोई भी ऐसा घटना न हो जिसके लेकर के जमुरिया की बदनामी हो। वहाँ जो वोट हमको दिया है और जो नहीं दिया है सबका हम विधायक हैं, और विधायक के नाते मैं अपील कर रहा हूँ कि शांति बना के रखें। साथ साथ अभी कोरोना काल चल रहा है, जोरों पर कोरोना है, इसको रोकथाम के लिए हमारे सभी कार्यकर्ता मैदान में उतर कर के काम करें। मास लोगों को घर तक पहुंचाएं और जो भी आवश्यक होगी उसको पूरा करें। यह हम लोगों के लिए पहला काम है और दीदी ने भी कल निर्देश दिया है कि इस पर हम लोगों को विजय पाना है। इसलिए सबको मिलजुल करके फर्स्ट कोरोना के ऊपर चिंता करना है, मारपीट के ऊपर चिंता नहीं करना है। इसलिए सभी शांति बना कर रखें। यदि हमारे कोई कार्यकर्ता अप्रिय घटना करता है तो उसके ऊपर पार्टी निर्णय लेगी, पार्टी एक्शन लेगी। उसको कभी भी हम विधायक के रूप में बर्दाश्त।
Let us hear Asmus from News Movement. Patient is bitter, but fruit is sweet.